Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-Alaikum. My name is Ankaiman and I welcome you to Courselia. In today's video, we are going to solve and discuss the past paper of General Knowledge held in PMS 2018. So here is our first question. Who was the inventor of mouse? पहले भी हम देख चुके हैं, Douglas Engelbart. Name the person who was exiled to Saint Helena after renowned Battle of Waterloo in 1815. Adolf Hitler, Napoleon Bonaparte, Rommel, Hindenburg. Answer is Napoleon Bonaparte. CT scan stand for which of the following? Computed tomography. Normandy is in Italy, England, Austria, France. France. Sir Laurence Olivier was an actor. Kofi Annan, a former Secretary General of UNO, belonged to Ghana. Capital of the Ghana is Accra. The country of Ghana was formerly known by what name? Grain Coast, Gold Coast, Ivory Coast, Slave Coast. Answer is Gold Coast. Congo is the new name of Zaire. Blackpool is a mountain, is a town, is an airport, or is a strait? It is a town. Rakulaman Livestock Farm is in Bhakkar. Which is the biggest freshwater lake in the world? Lake Superior. Which is the deepest lake in the world? Lake Baikal. Ural Mountain is in England, Turkey, Greece, Russia. It is in Russia. Which country is the second largest oil producer in the world? Russia, USA, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia. The largest oil producer in the world is USA and second largest oil producer in the world is Saudi Arabia. Bering Strait separates Russia from. इसका आंसर मैप के जरिए देखते हैं. ये रहा रशिया और हमने देखना है कि बेरिंग स्ट्रेट रशिया को किससे सेपरेट करती है. सेंटर में है बेरिंग स्ट्रेट और इसके राइट साइड पे है अलास्का. दिस अलास्का इज द स्टेट ऑफ यूएसए. सो बेरिंग स्ट्रेट separates Russia from USA. Next question is, Opium War was fought between China and French, Portuguese, Indian, British. The answer is British. International date line passes through. ये हमने जो पिछला मैप देखा बेरिंग स्ट्रेट उसके साथ ही आपको डॉटेड में इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन शो हो रही थी. इट इज़ एन इमेजिनरी लाइन ऑफ डिमार्केशन ऑन द surface of Earth that runs from North Pole to the South Pole, and it demarcates the change of one calendar day to the next. So the answer is clear, Bering Strait. Shortest day in Australia will be on 25 December, 22 December, 15 June or 21 June. Answer is 21 June. Mention the nickname of atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima in 1945. Little boy, fat man, big giant, sharp boy. Answer is little boy. The Treaty of Sevres was signed in. It was a treaty between the allies of World War I and Ottoman Empire, and it was signed in 1920. Mustafa Kemal Pasha abolished the Khilafat in 1924. We, the people of United Nations, are the opening words of which of the historical documents? Human Rights Charter, US Charter, UN Charter, UNHCR Charter. Answer is UN Charter. Kohe Judi is located in India, Turkey, Sri Lanka or Iraq. Kohe Judi is considered as the final resting place of Noah's Ark and it is present in Turkey. Kohe Tur is in Egypt. The name of Ceylon changed into Sri Lanka in 1965, 1972, 1976 or 1974. Answer is 1972. 1 yard is equal to 0.914 meter. 1 BTU is equal to how many joules? BTU is the measure of heat. It is equal to 1055 joules. 1 gram of gold is equal to how many milligrams of gold? 1000 milligram. Adam's Peak is located in Nepal, Iran, Sri Lanka, India. Sri Lanka. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Let's solve this question to get the answer. The question is 5x minus 15 is equal to 60. Find value of x. 5x minus 15 is equal to 60. ये यहाँ पर माइनस हो रहा है, यहाँ पर जाकर प्लस हो जाएगा. 5x is equal to 60 plus 15. 5x is equal to ऐड कर लेंगे 65. अब यहाँ पर 5x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, जब यहाँ पर जाएगा तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. x is equal to 65 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 1 carry, 5 threes are 15. Answer is x is equal to 13. Oldest inhabited city in the world is Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Damascus, Taxila. Answer is Damascus. The cultural center of Gandhara civilization is situated at present day in Pakistan. Oldest monarchy कौन सी है? सऊदी अरेबिया, यूएई, जापान और कुवैत. जापान. Father of homeopathy is Samuel Hahnemann. The book Wealth of Nations was written by John Marshall, Karl Marx, Max Muller, none of these. Answer is none of these. It was written by Adam Smith. Communist Manifesto was originally published in which language? Greek, Russian, French, German. German. The famous incident of Boston Tea Party took place in 1770, 1785, 1773 or 1776. Answer is 1773. Ahmad Khan Kharal, the famous character of War of Independence, belongs to. He was the Nawab of Jhamra. Faiz Ahmad Faiz was imprisoned for his alleged involvement in Daesh conspiracy. Rawalpindi. Pride and Prejudice was written by Jane Austen. Cholera is caused by cocci, virus, bacteria, none of these. Bacteria. Which of the following disease is not caused by virus? Smallpox, polio, typhoid, mumps. Typhoid. Which among the following is starch digesting enzyme? Protease, lipase, amylase, none of these. Amylase. Another name for vitamin C is ascorbic acid, which is used as moderator in atomic reactor. Water, uranium, platinum, heavy water. Answer is heavy water. Guava is the rich source of which vitamin? Vitamin C. Conversations with Myself was written by Nelson Mandela. Diameter of Jupiter is dash times Earth's diameter. 13, 11, 9 or 10. 11 times. Hottest planet in the solar system, Venus. Plato was dash of Aristotle. He was the student, he was the son, he was the son-in-law, or he was a teacher. Plato was the teacher of Aristotle. Quaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League in 1913. The Jallianwala massacre took place in April 1919, December 1919, April 1921, April 1920. The answer is April 1919. Jallianwala Bagh is located in Lahore, Delhi, Lucknow, Amritsar. Amritsar. First Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to Roentgen for his discovery of X-rays. Which among the following is ancient wonder of the world? Eiffel Tower, Taj Mahal, Lighthouse of Alexandria, or none of these? Lighthouse of Alexandria. Let's solve this question. The question says 200 candidates applied for exam. from which 180 candidates appeared in exam. And 70% passed. Now you have to find how many failed. Total students कितने हैं? 200. How many appeared? 180. How many passed? 70%. 70% को नंबर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं सबसे पहले. 70% का 100 आ गया. और जो टोटल अपीयर हुए थे वो थे 180. पासिंग रेशो उन्हीं की निकली है ना, इसलिए हमने 180 लगाना है. 0 0 0 0 आपस में कट हो गए. बाकी क्या बचा? 7 multiplied by 18. The answer is 126. अब फेल्ड निकाल लेते हैं कितने हैं. 180 appeared, 126 passed. How many left? 54. And this is the answer. Our next question is this. If x is equal to 28, y is equal to 51, then we have to find x plus y plus x minus y. Let's put the values. x की वैल्यू है 28, y की वैल्यू है 51. (28 plus 51), 8 plus 1, 9, 5 plus 2, 7. 28 minus 51, minus 23. Plus minus, minus. What is the answer? 9 में से 3 निकाला 6, 7 में से 2 निकाला 5. The answer is 56. Who was the inventor of printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. Yen is the currency of France, Denmark, Italy, Sweden. None of these. Yen is the currency of Japan. ये भी मैथ्स का क्वेश्चन है, इसको भी सॉल्व करके देख लेते हैं. The question says, if A completes a job in 20 minutes and B completes in 30 minutes, if they do the same job together, how much time will they take? टुगेदर की बात हो रही है, यहां पर लगेगा यूनिटरी मेथड. यूनिटरी मेथड में क्या होता है, वैल्यूज इन्वर्ट हो जाती हैं. तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा, a प्लस b अगर मिल के काम करते हैं 1/20 प्लस 1/30. एलसीएम लेंगे 60, 23 are 60, 3 1s are 3, प्लस 32s are 60, 2 1s are 2. 5/60. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 1/12. It means our answer is 12 days. Which of the following districts of Balochistan contains huge deposits of copper? Chaghi. Kachura Lake is situated in Gilgit, Kagan Valley, Baltistan. None of these. Baltistan. Patella is present in, it is a bone of knee. Working boundary is a boundary between Indian held Kashmir and Azad Kashmir, India and Pakistan, India held Kashmir and Pakistan, Azad Kashmir and Pakistan. Answer is Indian held Kashmir and Pakistan. What does RAM in a computer stand for? Random access memory. URL is an abbreviation of Uniform Resource Locator. Wife of Bill Gates is the CEO of Gates Foundation. What is name of her wife? Her wife's name was Melinda, but now the CEO of Gates Foundation is Mark Sussman. The length of Siachen Glacier is 47 miles. Persecution of Rohingya Muslims is in which state of? Rakhine. CARD is the intelligence agency of Afghanistan. National bird of Pakistan is Chakor. Aab-e-Hayat was written by Muhammad Hussain Azad, Nazir Ahmad, Allama Iqbal, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Answer is Muhammad Hussain Azad. Silicon Valley is located in? It is a repeated question. Answer is California. The only Hindu state in the world is? It was once the Hindu state, but now it is not. Nepal. The Nobel Prize for Economics was introduced in? It is a repeated question. The answer is 1969. Malabar is the old name of Madras. If the mood of a person swings from normal to extreme behavior, it is due to autism, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, epilepsy. Answer is bipolar disorder. Novel War and Peace was written by Leo Tolstoy. Most powerful hurricane to hit the Caribbean in September 2017 was Maria, Katrina, Irma, none of these. Irma. Neutron was discovered by Newton, Priestley, James Chadwick, B. Franklin. Answer is James Chadwick. During the process of photosynthesis, plants release the carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, ammonia. Answer is oxygen. Hujjatullah al-Baligha was written by Shah Ismail, Haji Shariatullah, Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed, Shah Waliullah. Answer is Shah Waliullah. An example of a hereditary disease is polio, hemophilia, cholera, typhoid. Answer is hemophilia. Shape of the Milky Way galaxy is? It is a repeated question. The answer is spiral. There were 69 members in First Constituent Assembly. This number was increased to dash in order to give representation to princely states' arid refuges. Answer is 79. Height of K2, 8,611 meters. Before the partition of India in 1947, how many princely states existed? 49, 54, 562, none of these. Answer is 562. Name the biggest barrage of Pakistan. Sakkar Barrage. If you have caries, then which doctor should be consulted? Caries are cavities in teeth. So, dentist should be consulted. Average weight of human heart? 300 gram. Sharm el-Sheikh is the name of Airport of Iran, Egyptian seaport, a mountain, none of these. Egyptian seaport. LNG stand for liquefied natural gas. Next question. The Statue of Liberty was presented to United States by the people of France. Habsha is the old name of Ethiopia. Breakbone fever is communicated by a mosquito. It is another name of dengue. Katas Raj Temple is in Chakwal. Amnesia is related to sleeping sickness, loss of sight, loss of hearing, loss of memory. Answer is loss of memory. Last question. The British government announced the annulment of partition of Bengal in 1911. And here ends the past paper of GK held in PMS 2018. For more videos, like my video, subscribe my channel and stay tuned to Courselia.